Hey, hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to spackle. Now, spackling is a very lightweight compound that's used for fixing holes such as this one we have right here in this wall. So this is probably about as large as you want to get. This is probably about 3/16 of an inch in diameter. So spackling is for small holes, particularly small cracks or nail holes or such as that. Now we get ready to spackle. Just pry our lid off. Is that we want to take plastic scrapers or little putty knives work very good for this. So what we can do is we can just take a little bit, just what we need. And the important thing about spackling is that when we put this on, what we want to do is we want to apply it and we want to scrape it so it's flush with the surface. And if we put our spackling on right, we can kind of use our finger and come back and kind of rub out any of the residual, just kind of remove it. But if we do our spackling right, we should be able to apply it in such a way that there's really not any sanding that you have to do. And it'll fill most of your defects, like I said, right to the surface. You scrape it off. As you can see, we should be able to come back and just touch up paint over this without any trouble. So that's one of the nice things about spackling, is you can fill a lot of holes, you can fill them very quickly, and you don't have to really come back and do any sanding. Now, if you have to do some sanding, you'll just take a 320 grit or a 400 grit sandpaper, something very light, and just very lightly go over the area. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to spackle.